build and program motorized machines that can walk, dance, and avoid obstacles with robotics smart machines, rovers, and vehicles. Construct 8 unique vehicles that use an ultrasonic sensor to interact with their surroundings. Download the free app on your smart device to wirelessly control and program your vehicle's behavior. Programming your machines is fast and easy using the visual block-based coding language. Build a Desert Explorer bot that stops driving and begins to walk when it senses an object in range. Experiment with a dancing robot and try to sync its movements to the beat of a song. Or construct and program a scout rover to navigate a field of obstacles. A 64-page full-color manual provides step-by-step building instructions and provides sample programs for your robots. And with over 230 pieces, you can build and program your own creations. Take STEM for a spin with robotics smart machines, rovers, and vehicles. Ages 8 to 14. From Thames and Kosmos.
Hey Dad, can lizards swim in volcanoes?
Yeah, I think they have those in Iceland, buddy.
Cool, thanks. Hey Dad, can a waterproof robot use a fire extinguisher?
Yeah, probably.
Awesome. Hey Dad, can you launch an invisible rocket off a hot air balloon that travels to Mars and captures aliens and returns those secrets back to Earth?
Yeah. When pigs fly.
What?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Dad, look!
Whoa, cool! You just flew us into purple space.
I know.
Your child may have what it takes to become the next great digital visionary. You just have to allow it to take root. Coding shouldn't be something just computer scientists do. It should be something everyone can do. And Root makes that possible. It's easy for coding to feel abstract, but Root teaches computer programming in a new way. It starts with a language so simple that a young child can use it even before they know how to read. At first, coding with Root might look like simple blocks, but this coding is very real. Root engages the part of a child's brain that thinks analytically and unleashes the creativity within. Kids think of things they want to do and push themselves to that next level. to see what they've imagined come to life. Root is the only robot of its kind that offers this many learning opportunities, making coding a real-time and interactive experience. This makes the journey from simple blocks to full-text coding languages intuitive. When coding with Root, the only real limit is curiosity. Root is the best way for anyone to fall in love with coding. Where they go from there is completely up to them.
I'm Tommy, and this is someone really special and very close to me, even though he's from far away, like the distance from here to the sky. Photon arrived from a faraway galaxy, but his amazing spaceship collided with an asteroid and ended up broken into pieces. Luckily, he managed to survive. We're trying to put it together, somehow, but for the time being, Photon is staying on Earth, and I have become his friend. I'm showing him what's what, how we live here. That's what friends are for. At first, he couldn't even move, and now he's running around like an adult. And he keeps developing. Whoops! An obstacle! We got that covered already. Photon quickly figured out that we, little people, love playing the most. Sometimes we like to make a mess, and we don't necessarily like cleaning up as much, and that there are other beings living with us. And by the way, he's really happy when he's able to help. How do we communicate? Programming, controlling, commands, and photonic language. Photon is a great companion when we play, and even better when we party. Thanks to him, I know that there are no black light bulbs. I keep working on these, and we're getting better. Photon is amazed by the amount of technology in our world. Now we're learning about it together, all of us, because you have to know that my friends got to befriend Photon as well. Sophie loves to light up his eyes and keeps dressing him up. Ethan keeps on wanting to take him everywhere, and Oliver to teach him new stuff. Even our kindergarten teacher says that Photon absorbs everything like a sponge, and that he's a smarty. It would be great if there were more of them. I feel that more photons are going to land on Earth really soon. Let's learn coding together. Support us on Kickstarter. meetphoton.com